Have you ever wondered how businesses reach their customers online in today's digital age? Digital marketing is the key. It's a critical component in the modern business landscape, helping companies connect with their audience in more meaningful and effective ways. In the vast online world, businesses face a significant challenge in reaching their target audience effectively. With the digital space becoming increasingly crowded, standing out can be tough. Let's dive into the world of digital marketing and explore the various channels that businesses use to connect with their audience. From social media and email marketing to search engine optimization or SEO and pay-per-click or PPC advertising, each channel plays a crucial role in engaging customers online. Now let's get to the crux of digital marketing. It's all about utilizing key strategies and tactics to drive results. Whether it's creating compelling content, optimizing for search engines, or running targeted ads, businesses need to be strategic to succeed in the digital realm. In conclusion, digital marketing is a powerful tool that can help businesses thrive in the online world. By leveraging the right channels and strategies, companies can boost their online presence and reach new heights of success. As we wrap up, remember that the world of digital marketing is constantly evolving. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your online presence. Subscribe to our channel for the latest insights and strategies to grow your business through digital marketing.